A local Illinois sheriff says his law enforcement office will not uphold or enforce the state's new assault weapons law.
Yeah, that is according to a post by Clark County Sheriff William Brown. In his post, Brown says, in part, I, among many others, believe that HB 5471 is a clear violation of the Second Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. He goes on to say, neither myself nor my office will be checking to ensure that lawful gun owners register their weapons with the state. The new law bans the sale of assault weapons. It also says people who already own the weapons must register them with Illinois State Police. The law says gun owners have until the end of the year to do that. A number of other sheriffs in Illinois have shared similar sentiments as Brown's. You can see a map showing which other county sheriffs have said that they won't enforce the new law. Just go to our website, mywabashvalley.com.